kasi lahat willing to help. Lahat, even the smallest details, parang they were willing to work it out. Wala yung malaking trabaho, walang maliit. Sabi nga namin, yesterday, I would like to apologize for the audio. Pero ang learnings namin ay we cannot be perfect. Pag mula nung unang araw, walang patience. Kailangan konting masyadong perfect tayo. And if you are willing, kami naman po ay willing, hindi naman na tayo kailangan magantay ng another 25 years. If you are willing to come back after 5 years, maybe you can start planning and we can also start what masyadong mahirap. Pero also, hindi rin magiging successful. It wouldn't have been successful if not for the help of our classmates also. Kasi they were generous enough to share their homes, their funds, not to us. We'd like to thank each and everyone who donated a little something for this affair to be successful. Basically, kita ng donation. Ayan, not only the dinners, not only that. I mean, meron pang mga lechon dyan.